In this video, we will show you how to resend an email in Outlook. After you sending the email in Outlook, then when you want to resend the email that you can edit, you can just following these steps. Okay, for example here, you already send the email, for example here, and when you want to resend this email, you can just click this button. Okay, click this button. And you can see you can just click send button actually, but if you want to edit the email you can do that. Okay, so whatever you edit will be changed here, and you can click send button and the email will be sent. Okay, you can see that this is the difference. Okay, and that's tutorial how you can resend the email in Outlook. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.